Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just open the Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. I suggest to use this launcher in work, when you at work, because this launcher has no inline features and it's really minimalistic. It's the most minimalistic launcher you can find. Minimalistic and functional. So open this launcher, click agree, choose your favorite tabs, click OK, and great. Here on the home screen you have the favorite tabs. Here you have the main menu and that's it. So that's all if you have in this launcher. Of course, you have the search. So if you want to find the Facebook, for example, you can find it using the normal search. But in this way, you will find your needed apps really fast. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to P button. And great, Play Store is opened. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. And click install. Click open. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue. While using allow. Confirm, click on the cross on the right top corner of your screen. Wait a while and great. Here, as you can see, we have really minimalistic interface with a really beautiful interface. This design is similar to Xiaomi design, but it's really minimalistic and beautiful. So here you have your news, here you have your apps with groups. So apps automatically grouped by type of these apps. For example, here all my contacts and messengers. Here all internet apps to surf internet. Here we have games, media, utilities, and settings. Great. Here we have here we have settings. We have beautiful wallpapers for free in this launcher. For example, if you want to find any wallpaper, just click apply. And these wallpapers are really great, are really beautiful. As you can see, it looks really fine. Great. On the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher. Just find and install it. I suggest you use this launcher when you are at university or when you need to be most productive, because you can improve your productivity using this launcher X2, X3, because you can do everything here. And this launcher is very fast. Firstly, for example, here you have Glance Panel. In Glance Panel, you can set up your favorite widgets. Here you have your main menu with my favorite alphabetical line. On the right top corner, you have 3 dots, and here you can hide unused applications from the main menu. For example, disable services, fax, I don't know, and other service apps you don't need to open, but you need to have. You can set up gestures. Why I really love this launcher, because here we have the gestures. So for example, you can open your university group in Facebook, university community in Facebook, using just simple swipe. For example, I will show you how to do it with calculator app. So just swipe up using 2 fingers and your desired app will be opened, or desired future link or other. And it's making this launcher really useful and great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.